the server, we click the center bar here. I have two servers. On other server, you can go here on the comment. This is the nearest server. Select the server. Yes, you can choose server and play. And to continue. At this repair button, this will clean cache at your Android or PC. This will be downloaded on the newer version. This may be get the menu in this page, so be careful. BindAccount. You can buy account to your Google or your email. And you see here, continue support. You can contact the support Girlwars. Yes. Have a nice day. Good luck.